this is the website that we put in the description of the video so that you can easily open it. And this is the passenger locator forms, which is used by public health authorities to facilitate contact tracing in case travelers are exposed to an infection disease during their trip. So you must read carefully all of this information, and then to start the application you have to click on Start here. This is the next page. We already registered an account, so it's the first time for you. You have to register it first by clicking here. Okay, the system will ask an email address, and then you have to set a password and confirm the same password. Okay, after you do, click on register and you receive an email with a link. Okay, after clicking on register, I received an email from EU-PLF. Dear passenger, in order to verify your email address and active your account, please click on this URL. You just have to click here. Okay, after clicking on the link received on your email, you will be directed to the login page where you find already your email address and the password which you saved, if you saved. Otherwise you have to type it again. So you go on login. Okay, here we start to fill the form. Destination, select your destination country, Italy. Continue. Transportation type, if you are traveling by aircraft. If you have a flight, click on aircraft and continue. Then before you begin, you have to tick here saying that you are submitting the form completely, correctly and truthfully, and you have to accept the privacy notice. Okay, here we put the aircraft flight information. If you are traveling with your family member, you have to tick here, and the page will generate an additional page, which is the number 8, where we will put the details of the rest of the families. Okay, in this case, in this example, we are the only person, not traveling with any other person. So, airline name Qatar Airways. Okay. Then flight number. Okay. We'll leave this blank because it's an optional field, so we don't have to put. Boarding country India. Okay, we'll leave the optional boxes. No need to put. Date, time of arrival, so we have to put the time of arrival. For example, if you are traveling tomorrow, we will arrive on 30, and we select the time at 4 p.m. for example, 4 p.m. and we give OK. This is a Europe Rome time. Okay, final destination is Rome. Rome, R-O-M. Okay, Fiumicino. Continue. Then personal information as written in the passport. We put the last name, first name, sex, and then date of birth. We have to select here, for example, if you were born in 78 May 1st, we select the date and give OK. Then you have to put details of your passport number, phone number. We have to put even the country code. If it's an Italian telephone number, +39 and then 333, well, you put telephone number here. Email address, this is important. Now, because we register with the email reservation at akbartravels.it, the system catch this field in automatic. So we go and continue. Okay, in this section we have to put the permanent address. Country Italy. Okay, so we are in Lazio, for example, city Rome. Okay, the postal code 00185, for example, you put your postal code. Okay, street, and then so we tick this box if the temporary address is the same with your permanent address. In this case, yes. Continue. Okay, this is the other section, which is emergency contact information. If you have emergency contact information that you want to add, just put it here, all the details. These are optional, so if you wish to put it, you put it, or else you go to the next stage. So you go and submit. Okay, we submitted the application, and we will receive on the email address that we register a copy of the application that we have to print and bring at the airport. Okay, now I'll show you, in case you selected that you are traveling with a family member, what is the page that you will see on the last section before submitting the application. Okay, as if we selected that we are traveling with some other family members, this is the page that we'll get at the end, just before the emergency contact. So we have to put the family members details: first name, last name, gender, and continue. Okay, if we have more than one, we put add family members, and we put the third person. Although we click on continue. If we have a travel companion which are not family member, we have to add it here. Okay, which is the same page that we shown on the example for family and companion. So same details will be asked here. If we don't have, we go on continue. The emergency contact as before is optional if you have, and then submit. Even here you'll get the confirmation page on your email ID that you register, which you have to print and bring at the airport. Okay.